Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So today I'm sharing some glitter gels from glitterlessnails.com. So I have 6 here to share with you. I want to swatch them for you. They're just gorgeous. And then I also have the kit that I just showed you to share with you as well. That'll be at the end. So the first one that I'm sharing with you is Blue Tide, and now they all come sealed, so there was no leakage whatsoever when I received them, and that's always nice. So I'm just going to remove the seal with my scissors, and then I'll show you how pretty this glitter is, and then I will swatch, like I said, each one. So I have done a video with Glitterless Nails glitter gels before in the past. You can see that card in the top right hand corner. And if you had watched that video, or if you do watch it, I do say in the video that these so remind me of Light Elegance glitter gels, same consistency. So if I'm gonna apply them to a client's nails or my nails, I will encapsulate them in the builder gel because they're that perfect consistency to do that. So I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking in this video. I've already told you these glitter gels are absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to swatch them for you and let you watch. And I'll be back when I'm ready to show you the nail kit that I'll be sharing with you from Glitterless Nails. So I'm really loving the glitter gels at Glitterless Nail Scent. Now I'm going to share with you their glitter mixer kit. So when I received this glitter mixer kit, I thought, what a great idea. I had not ever received anything like this. So I wasn't expecting it from Glitterless Nails. So when it came in the mail, I thought, wow, something really neat and different. And it has a lot in this kit, and I will put the links for this kit down in the description, and I do have a coupon code for Glitterless Nails, so make sure you use that code to purchase any of those glitters you saw that I just showed you or this kit. And I'll just show you what's in this kit. I'm just going to read what's on the box first, and then we'll actually look at the kit. So of course it has 1 glitter mixer, 3 large gel pots, 2 small gel pots, 5 glitter samples, and you get 3 stir sticks, 5 swatch sticks, and 5 name labels. So you can pretty much make it and have everything you need for that. So that's such a good idea. And okay, on the side here it says, test before use on a white tile or plate. Mix a few drops of glitter mixer with your desired glitter. The glitter is safe to use if it does not fade or bleed color after 24 to 48 hours. Instructions: you fill 1/3 of an empty pot with glitter mixer. Add your glitters in small increments until desired consistency is reached. We recommend a ratio of 1 part glitter to 3 parts gel. Let stand for 48 hours before use to remove bubbles, which makes sense because you are going to get bubbles. Warning, do not mix with other gel products. So just use what they send in this kit, and you don't need anything else anyway. So yeah, that's what it's telling you. Do not use with hobby glitter or chameleon glitter. Only use with solvent resistant cosmetic glitter. So they're sending you the proper glitter. So I guess you stick with what's in this kit to make your own glitters, unless you do have solvent resistant cosmetic glitter to add to this. And of course, keep out of reach of children and keep out of sunlight. Avoid skin contact. Of course, keep out of sunlight because any gel will cure with UV rays, so definitely want to do that. And the net weight is 40 grams. So yeah, I'm just going to open it up here and we'll take a look at it better. So again, there's the larger pots and it has the smaller pots. Just going to pull them all out. So it had 3 large pots. There's the 3 large ones. And it had, how many did it say? 2 small gel pots and 5 glitters. So I'll just show you. Here's the glitter gel. So that's the glitter gel mixer they're talking about. So this actually is the gel in here. And then it has the 5 glitters samples. Now I'll show you what they send. And I'm not sure if it's the same glitter in every kit or if it's different each time. But anyways, these are the ones that are in this one. It's really pretty. It's got a purple glitter in it and silver and iridescent. This is really pretty as well and really nice pink. This one would be really nice for fall, all by itself in fact. And then we've got just a white iridescent one. That's really pretty too. And another type of iridescent, a little bit different though. It's kind of got blue in it and iridescent colors, but it's kind of a white base to it. So those are the 5 glitters that came in it, and you also get your swatch sticks so you can swatch your gels once you have them done. And there's 5 of those. And you get your stir sticks because obviously you're going to have to stir the glitter once you put it in the pots. So I'm going to do one right now for you guys so that you can see. And I think we're actually going to do a nice mix and see what it turns out like. And remember, it does say you have to let it sit for 48 hours just so it removes the bubbles. But I'm just going to mix one for you guys because this looks like a lot of fun. I'm going to move everything aside. I'll just do one of the smaller pots to show you. So there's the inside of the pot. So I'm going to take my glitter mixer. So this is the gel. And it says to put 1 part glitter to 3 parts of gel. So it has a lid on it, so I'm just taking that lid off. I'm going to get a stir stick ready. Okay, so I'm going to fill it up 1/3. And so I'm just going to squeeze. I guess I should see if it's sealed. Oh, okay. So it is sealed, which makes sense. So it's not going to run out when it's in the mail, obviously. So I'll just get that off first. Okay, so I'm just going to put the lid back on, and now we can put it in the container. So 1/3 full. So I'm not going to fill it too much. Like he says, 1/3 full. Okay, so I'm going to say that's going to be good enough. Now I think we're going to mix. We're going to take some of this one. And of course it says 1 part glitter to 3 parts gel, so I don't want to put too much in. Oh wow, look how pretty that glitter is. Okay, so that's that one. And I'm even going to take a little bit of this pink and throw that in there. And then just a little bit of the iridescent, and then I'm going to mix it up. Oops, not too much. Now if I have too much glitter and not enough gel, I'm going to have to add some more. Yeah, might have to add some more, but that's okay. Okay, so mixing it up, look at how pretty that is. Now if you want, you can add the glitter to each pot all by itself, or you can make your own glitter. And then I'm going to swatch it here for you so you can see what we did. Now again, it's supposed to sit for 48 hours, but I'm just not going to have it sit because I want to show you. So I'm going to grab one of the swatch sticks that came in the kit. We're going to see what it turned out like. Of course, it's definitely going to have more pink in it because I did add quite a bit of the pink. But if you wanted to, you could add more of that purple. It's totally up to you. I love pink though. Okay, there it is. Look at how pretty that is. Now, like I said, you could get a totally different look, whatever you like, but I really like how it turned out. And there would be, of course, no bubbles if I let it sit overnight, but it is really pretty. So I want to thank Glitterless Nails for sending me all of these products you saw in this video to share with you. I love the kit. I do love the glitter gels. They're so pretty. They remind me of Light Elegance. And I just want to say that they have such great customer service. And again, don't forget to use my coupon code, and I will have the links for these products down in the description of this video. So thanks everybody for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.